lecture, we are going to learn how Destructor will work when we use within the base class and within the child class. So we are here learning the concept of inheritance, and we are going to use Destructor within the class. So for inheritance, to use inheritance, so for this we should have at least two classes in our program. So here we are going to implement the concept of destructor by using single inheritance. So for this I need to create two classes. First is base class, and I will create another class, that is child class. So now we have created two classes, base class and child class, but there is no connection between this base class and the child class. For creating a relationship between these classes, we need to implement the concept of inheritance. So I'm going to inherit base class inside the child class. For this I need to use colon here. After that I can use public, private and protected member. If I use public member, public access specifier, then all the members of base class will be copied in the child class as it is, whatever the mode they have. If I use here protect private, in that case all the member of base class will become the private member inside the child class. I protect if I use protected here, in that case all the member of base class which are private will be private for child class, which are public will be private protected for child class, and those are protected for base class will be protected. So here I am using public access specifier so that all the member of base class will be copied as it is in the child class. That means all the member of base class is the member of child class with the same access specifier. Now I need to write the name of class which I am going to inherit in my child class. So here I am writing base because I am going to inherit base class inside the child class. So for implementing the concept of destructor, I need to create a destructor within the class. So for creating destructor, I need to write tilde symbol. After that, I need to write the name of class. So I am creating destructor inside the base class. So for this, I need to write base here. After that, I have to use function symbol. Here the destructor is non-parameterized, so I am not writing anything here. Inside the destructor body, I am writing a single message, that is destructor of this class. After that, I am using handle keyword for getting output on the next line. Similarly, I am creating a destructor inside my child class also. So for this, I need to use tilde symbol again. After that, I need to write class name. So my class name is child, function symbol, and here I will print a message when the destructor will be called, that is destructor of child class. So we have two destructor, one is in base class and one is in child class. So these destructor are by default private because we are not using any access specifier while creating destructor. So we need to mention any access specifier here. If I do not mention any access specifier, in that case all the members will become private, and private member is not we cannot access private member outside the class. And in this program we are going to access this destructor, we are going to call this destructor outside the class. So for this we need to declare them within the public area. So for this I need to write public here, and here I will write public colon. So destructor is opposite of constructor. As the constructor is called automatically when the object of the class is created. Once the object of class is created, constructor will be automatically called. If in any case, if we do not provide constructor in the class, in that case C++ compiler will automatically supply a default constructor in the class, and that will be called. And destructor work will just opposite to the constructor. Destructor will call when the object of the class is destroyed. So the object of the class is destroyed, so it will work in the bottom approach, bottom of order, because the constructor will be called first of base class, after that the child class. But in destructor, destructor will be called of child class first, and after that the destructor of base class. So for calling destructor, first we need to create object of the child class. So I am creating here object of child class. So for this I need to write child, that is the name of our class, and an identifier obj, that is the object of child class. So now once I create the object of child class, the default constructor of base class and the default constructor of child class will be called, because every class have at least one default constructor. So here obj will be created, and the object of the of the constructor of the default constructor of the base class will be run, and after that the constructor of the default class will be run. And once the whole program is run, after that the object will be destroyed, and the object will be destroyed at the same time the destructor of the classes will be uh, executed. The destructor function of the class will be run. So it will work in reverse order. So the child destructor will be called first. After that, the base class destructor will be called. So I will run now, and let's see what is the output. So here you can see that we have two message, destructor of child class and destructor of base class. So destructor of child class is in the child class. If I use handle here, then it will print message on the next line. So if I run this program again, so first the destructor of child class is run. After that, the destructor of base class is executed. So that this is the concept of destructor when we use inheritance. I hope you understood this video, this concept, and I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching this video.